Welcome all. Today we are going to complete one numerical on Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. Okay. First of all, we will see what the question have give to us. We have given these parameters. We have given a window. We have given a window, and the lower left coordinates of the window is -3, 1. Okay, and given upper right corner 2 and 6. These parameters are given to us. These two are given to us. We will find these two. As we will know, for this line the x value will be same, then it will be -3. The y value will be same and equal to this. Here y value is 6, then here 6. Now for this point we will know the y value would be same, and that is 1. The x value will vary. X value will equal to 2. These are the 4 coordinates of window. Clear? Now come to the next part. We have given 3 points. We have to find these 3 points. First point is find the region codes. Find the region codes of all the endpoints. Clear? Next, clipping categories. We will discuss further. Take first point. Find the region code. How can we find the region code? We will find the region code if we have the exact figure of these lines onto the window. Clear? Now I am going to draw these lines with respect to this window. We can expand the lines. There is no problem. Okay. Now check. A is given -4, 2. A value is given -4, 2. When -3 is here, -4 will be like here. If we move toward right, the value will be positively increase, as like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And if we move from left, this will go like -3, -4, -5, -6. This -4 like here, and the y value is 2. Here is 1 and here is 2. Then this is our point -4, 2, and this is A point we have. Come to the point B. B is -1, like -2, -1 will be something like here, -1, and 7. Here is 6, then 7 will be moved upward, like here. Then this point is B, and the coordinate of B is -1, 7. Okay. When we will draw a line which will join these 2 points, that's called our line first, that is AB. It's our AB line. Okay. Next we have C and D. C is -1 5, -1 5, -1 5, clear, and D is 3 8, 3 will be here, and 8 like here, then this will be CD line. D have the points 3 and 8. 3, this value is 2, we will move toward right for the positive value, and 8 is here, then this line will have 6 CD. Okay, come to the next line, EF. E is -2 3. Where is -2? -2 will be like here, this, like this point, -3, -2, -1. Okay, this point will be like here, -2. Okay, -2 is here, and you have 3. 3 value will be something like here. Then this is our E point, -2 3. Then F point 1 and 2. 1 will be like here, and 2 like here, 1 and 2. When we will join these 2 points, we will get a line EF, and F have the coordinates 1 2. Like this we can arrange all these lines. Just try. G and H. G is -1, no, G is 1 -2. G is 1 and -2. Then this is the point G. Clear? And H is 3 3. 3 2 3 like here, 3 and 3. This point will be like here. When we will join these 2 points, we will get a line GH. GH 3 3. Next we have IJ. I -4 7, -4 and 7, -4, this point is -4 and 7, 7 like here, -4 7. This is I, and the points are -4 7. These are the coordinates of I point. Then J point have the points -2 10, -2 here and 10, 10 will be here, -2 10, and this is the J point. When we will join these 2 lines, we will get a line I and J. Now all the 5 lines we have on the window. Clear? After draw these lines, we will complete our first topic, that's the region code of all the points. Region codes. Now we will know how to know the region codes according to the window. Let's remember one thing, the region code of the window, the region code of the window given will be 0, like 0 0 0 0, and we will take the 4-bit digits, 4-bit number. We will take 4-bit binary number. Clear? We have 0. If we want to learn easily, then simply learn 1 point. 0, I am writing here 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Discard 3, 4, 5, 6. Discard 7, 8, 9 and 10. Clear? These are the decimal numbers. When we will convert these decimal numbers in the binary, we will get the region codes of all the regions. Like the 4-bit binary equivalent of 1 will be 0001. If you don't know how to convert from decimal to binary, you can check the previous videos, and we have a playlist, binary logics, binary number systems. You can learn from there. Clear? 0 already have 0 0 zeros, 2 have 0 0 1 0. Clear? 4 is 0 1 0 0. 5 0 1 1 0. 6 is 5 is 0 1 0 1. 4 5. 6 is 0 1 1 0. Clear? 8 is 1 0 0 0. 9 is 1 0 0 1. And 10 is 1 0 1 0. Clear? Then these are, I am circle these points, these are our region codes. Clear? Now we will check where our points are. The points lies in which region? Like we are going to start from A. A point lies in this region and the code of this region is 0 0 0 1. Clear? B lies in this region and the region code is 1 0 0 0. Clear? As the C lies in with the window. C have the region codes 0 0 0 0. D lies in this section. Then D have the point 1 0 1 0. From here we can find out all the points like this. I hope you are getting the points. Clear? When we will get all the region codes, we will move further for the clipping categories. For the clipping categories, I am rubbing this. As we know, in Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm, we have 3 categories. First is visible, second is non-visible, and third is clipping candidate. Clipping candidate. Visible, not visible, and clipping candidate. How we will find these categories? These categories will be found according to the region codes of the points. Region codes, as we know, This algorithm says that if both the end points of the line, if the both the end points of the line have the same region code, and that is 0 0 0 0, then the line will be visible. As like here, for line E and F, the region codes both have the region codes 0 0 0, then the line E and F is visible category, is visible. Okay. For any other line, we have to follow a process, and that process is we have to take the logical AND operation on the region codes. Like I am rubbing this section, this section also. Let's see here, for line IJ, EF is clear, it's visible category. For line IJ, I have the region code 1001, clear, and J have the region code 1000. We will take the logical AND. Logical AND means we have to multiply these region codes bitwise. Then this bit with this like this. Perform this 10 0 0 0, and 1 into 1 equal to 1. The logical AND is 1 0 0 0, and we have a condition: if the logical AND for the two end points is non-zero, then the line is totally outside. Then it's on non-visible category. I and J, EF and IJ, these are all done. Next, come to the next point, line CD. C have the region code 0 0 0 0, and D have the region code 1 0 1 0. When we will perform logical AND, we will get 0 0 0 0. 0 into 0. If you want to know these operations, logical AND, logical NAND, how to add, how to subtract, you can also go on the binary logic section. Now, check, both the AND point region code are not 0 0, but the logical AND is 0 0 0. Then this will fall in the clipping candidate category. Then this line number C, D. C and D. These three lines are covered. Come to the next line, Z and H. G have the region code 0 1 0 0, and H has the region code 0 0 1 0. Perform the logical AND operation, then we will get 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. When we will multiply 0 with any number, we will get 0. Then the logical AND answer is 0 0 0 0. We are looking that Z and H is also totally outside from the window according to the diagram, but the logical AND is 0 0 0, then it will fall under the category of clipping candidate GH. One more line is, yes, line A and B, line A and line B. The region code of A is 0 0 0 1 and region code of B is 1 0 0 0. Perform the logical AND operation, we will get 0 0 0 0. Again this will come under the clipping candidate category A, B. Now our first point is complete and second condition is complete. Clipping categories, these are the clipping categories: visible EF, non-visible IJ, and clipping candidate we have line CD, GH and AB. 3 lines under clipping candidate. Now we will clip this according to the line clipping algorithm. Clear? This is all clear? I am going to rub it. Look, now we have 3 lines, line CD, GH and AB. We have to process 3 lines. These are in clipping candidate. First of all, I am going to take the line AB, line A and line B. For line AB, to find the clipping candidates and the visible area, we will follow a process, that is finding the slope, finding the slope of the line. Slope of the line, I am denoting slope by M. As we all know, the formula of finding slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, or we can say del y upon del x. This is the formula, and this M value will be same for all the line, for all the line at any point, here, here, here and here and here, the value of M will be same. Clear? Put the values here for line A and B. B have the points minus 1, 7. Then this is x2, y2 and this is x1, y1. y2 7 minus y1 2, x2 minus 1 and x1 is minus 4, minus 4. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. When this minus will go under this minus minus plus, plus 4 minus 1, we will get plus 3. Then the value of slope we get 5 by 3, and this value will be same for all the line. Clear? Now, what we have to find? we have the slope value 5 by 3, 5 by 3, then this slope value will be same for all the points. You are looking here, this line intersecting the window at this point, clear, and intersecting the window on this point. I am giving the name like I1 and I2 to these new points, I1 and I2, I1 and I2. Now for this we get three sections of this line, line A I1, line I1 I2, then line B I2. Clear है? Now for line, first of all we will find the coordinates of I1 and I2. For I1, we have the x value, x will be same, like x will be same for the whole line, x is -3, but the y values we don't have. I am taking it y. Clear? Now you can take -4 to 4x to y2 or -17 for x to y2. For any points you can check this. I am taking this. I am finding m equal to m. For whole line m will be same. Now we have x2, we have y2 equal to 7 minus y1 y upon x2 minus 1 minus 3. Clear? And the m values is 5 by 3. Solve this. 7 minus y upon plus 3 minus 1, we will get positive 2, 5 by 3. We multiply by this, 7 minus y equal to 10. I am going to multiply 5 with 2, 10 by 3. Then if we multiply 3 here and after that solve this, I am going to here minus 3y equal to minus 11, minus cut, y equal to 11 by 3. Then I have the value minus 3 and 11 by 3. These are the coordinates of I1. Clear? Same like this, I am going to find the coordinates for I2. For I2, we have the same value of y, that is 6, but we don't have the x value. Clear? We don't have the x value. We will find this from here. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to 5 by 3. 1 upon minus 1 minus x equal to 5 by 3, 3 equal to minus 5 x, 3 plus 5 equal to minus 5 x, minus 5 x equal to 8 and x equal to minus 8 by 5. Then for I2 have the value minus 8 by 5 and 6. Minus 8 by 5 and 6. Clear? This point is clear. Now we have the coordinates of I1 and I2 also. Okay? To find the visibility and non-visibility, we will again perform the logical AND operation. Like now we have the line A I1, line I1 I2 and line B I2. Now we will take the region codes of A and I1. A, we are talking about this line, and this line is outside from the window. Then the region will this. Then the region code is 0 0 0 1 and I have the same 0 0 0 1. The logical AND will be 0 0 1 and it is non-zero. It have the one value. Then this is rejected. We will write rejected. It means outside from the window. We will not consider this section A I1. Clear? Same like B I2. B have the region code 1 0 0 0. This line lies outside the window, and I2 have the same 1 0 0 0. The logical AND will be 0 0 0 1. Again this is non-zero. Non-zero, that is rejected outside the window. For I1 I2, let's check. This is the I1 I2. This line is here, I1 I2, and the points will lie under this category. I1 and I2 have the region codes 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and when we will do logical AND, we will get 0 0 0 0. This is inside, totally visible. We will write visible. We will follow this process for all the lines, as for line C and D. We will get one intersection point here, I3. Clear? I3. When we will be process G and H, we will get two intersection point, I4 and I5. And after getting these points, again perform this operation like this and perform the logical AND operation on this, okay, and get our result. That is visible, non-visible or clipping. Clear? The remaining 4 lines you will do from yourself and follow this process. I hope you are getting all the points clearly. Solve all the lines according to my opinion. Okay? If you will get any problem, you will ask to me. Okay class, thank you and revise it.